Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing curry shrimp pasta. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my shrimp. It's already cleaned and washed nicely. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning my shrimp. I will go in with some of my garlic powder. I will also go in with some seasoned salt, some cilantro, some of my basil. I will also go in with some of my all-purpose seasoning, some of my paprika, some black pepper, and of course, if you do have any other seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. I will also add some of my curry powder, and I'm using the Indian curry today. However, you can always go ahead and use any curry of your choice. Please remember guys, just to be creative and just to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. I also went ahead already and of course cooked my pasta, and you always want to ensure that you read the instructions on the pasta box before you go ahead and cook it. Once I cook my pasta nicely, I went ahead of course and just drain off the excess water and just put it in the pot and just allow it to sit there until I'm ready. Now, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Guys, remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course, you will get shrimp as well. So this is the pot that we're going to prepare our curry shrimp pasta in. Of course, we went ahead already and add some vegetable oil and allow it to hot, and then we're gonna go in and of course cook our shrimp nicely. And we want our shrimp to cook on both sides, but you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You want to cook your shrimp for at least 4 to 5 minutes. And then once your shrimp is cooked nicely, you go ahead and remove it. I, however, went ahead and chop up some bell peppers, some red and also some green bell pepper, some onion, some scallion, some of my French thyme, and also some garlic, and a few pieces of my Scotch bonnet pepper that I'm gonna use in my pasta. I also went ahead, of course, and I dissolved my coconut milk powder. And please note, guys, that if you do have the authentic coconut milk, you can always go ahead and do so, and remember to always turn your stove on low to medium heat. Alright guys, so now that our shrimp is nicely cooked, we're going to go ahead and of course remove the shrimp from the pot and just put them to the side. So the same pot that we cook our shrimp in, this is the same pot that we're going to prepare our pasta in. And listen, this was amazing. This was really easy and simple. The holidays coming up, you can always go ahead and prepare this for the entire family. And you can let me know in the comment section, what you think about this amazing recipe. So of course, we're gonna go in and add some more of our curry powder, and again, I'm using the Indian curry. However, you can always go ahead and use any curry of your choice, and you want to ensure that your curry powder is nicely burned, but you don't want it to be too dark. So now we're gonna go in and of course add all of the seasoning that we chopped up earlier, the bell pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course the onion, the scallion, and the thyme, and also the garlic. And of course we're just gonna combine everything together nicely. And guys, the flavor is amazing. I'm here just thinking, listen, I can't wait to finish cooking this. So now we're gonna go in and of course add some of our red crushed pepper, and we're also gonna go in, add some more of our cilantro and some of our basil. We will also add some more of our paprika and of course some of the seasoned salt. And just to note guys, no need to add salt. All of these items contains a lot of salt already, so we're not going to add any salt. Of course, we're going to add some black pepper, and once we add all of that goodness, combine everything together nicely, and again, the flavor is amazing. We're now going to go in and of course add our coconut milk powder, and of course I combine the coconut milk powder with the water in the same container that I season my shrimp in, so that I can get all of that seasoning. We're going to allow this to come to a boil because we want to ensure that our coconut milk is at least cooked before we add the pasta. So this is it, and you always want to remember that you want to taste the sauce just in case you might need to add some more of that amazing seasoned salt. So once you add the pasta to that amazing sauce, you combine everything together nicely because you want to ensure that your pasta is nicely coated in that sauce. Again, guys, before you add the pasta, ensure that you taste the sauce just in case you need to add some more seasoned salt. You don't need to add any salt at all. Or if you want to add some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, you can always go ahead and do so. But always remember to taste just in case. So at this moment, we want to turn our stove on low heat. And of course, we want to combine everything together nicely again. And then we're going to go in and of course add the shrimp. Once we add the shrimp, we just combine everything together nicely. And of course, we want that to be nicely coated in the sauce also. And once I'm finished, I will come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing curry shrimp pasta. Really easy, really simple, and you can always go ahead and make it for your entire family. So this is it, guys, the final product of my amazing curry shrimp pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing recipe. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Have them subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 10K subscribers, so help me get there by subscribing and sharing with everybody that you know. Thank you again for watching, and see you tomorrow.